MicroStrategy has done it again. Another massive Bitcoin buy. Even as price soared to new highs, this isn't just an investment, it's a masterclass in doubling down. Mark Saylor and his company are reshaping the crypto game with plans to pour tens of billions into BTC. What does this mean for Bitcoin's future and MicroStrategy's stock? Let's break it down. Hi, welcome back. My name is Lamia. I'm here to help you decode what's happening in the world of crypto. Today we're diving into MicroStrategy's bold Bitcoin strategy and why they're doubling down with billions even as BTC reaches new all-time high. Are they genius, visionaries, or taking on a massive risk? Stick around because we'll unpack everything you need to know about their wild 21-21 plan, their insane BTC holding, and what this could mean for Bitcoin's future. If you want to read the plan paper, I will leave a link in the description below. Let's start with some context. MicroStrategy wasn't always this deep into crypto. Founded in 1989 as a business intelligence software company, they made a surprising pivot in 2020 when their former CEO Michael Saylor decided to make Bitcoin their primary reserve asset. The idea was simple: holding against inflation by holding Bitcoin instead of cash or gold. That first move, a $250 million investment to buy 21,000 Bitcoin. Fast forward to today, and MicroStrategy has turned into a Bitcoin powerhouse with over 331,000 BTC in their treasury at the time of this recording. They're becoming the largest corporate Bitcoin holder globally, owning around 1.57% of the total supply. Now, here's where things get even crazier. MicroStrategy recently unveiled that they call the 21-21 plan. This involves raising $42 billion between 2025 and 2027 to buy even more Bitcoin. Yes, you heard that right. The strategy is to split the funding. $21 billion will come from equity raised and the other $21 billion from fixed rate securities. The numbers are deliberate. 21 million is Bitcoin maximum supply, and MicroStrategy's commitment to BTC is as symbolic as it is strategic. Fascinating. If they succeed, they could potentially double their current holding to nearly 2.5% of Bitcoin's total supply. What makes this even more fascinating is how their Bitcoin strategy has boosted their stock performance. Since adopting Bitcoin in 2020, MicroStrategy's stock, MSTR, has outperformed every single S&P 500 stock out there. This shows that their bet on Bitcoin isn't just about holding, it's about redefining their entire business model. Their stock has become a way for institutional investors to gain indirect exposure to Bitcoin, and it's paying off big time. With this kind of performance, it's clear why they're doubling down. Now, while this is incredibly bullish for Bitcoin, there are some concerns. For starters, such as concentrated BTC ownership raises question about decentralization and volatility. As more BTC gets locked into corporate treasuries, the liquid supply shrinks, which could lead to sharper price swing. There's also a question of whether MicroStrategy's strategy is sustainable. They've already issued debts, used cash reserves, and even sold equity to fund their Bitcoin buys. While the market has mostly cheered them on, it's a risky game if Bitcoin were to face a prolonged downturn. Here's the bottom line. MicroStrategy's aggressive buying is undeniably bullish for BTC. By taking such strong stance, they're not just influencing the market, they are driving adoption and spiking institutional interest. If the $42 billion plan succeeds, it could set a new precedent for corporations using Bitcoin as treasury strategy. But it could also add more volatility to the market as supply tightens and large players gain more influence. MicroStrategy is betting big on Bitcoin, and their action could shape the future of the Bitcoin market. But what do you think? Is this genius or calculated risk? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who loves crypto as much as we do. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights, and I'll see you in the next one.